Ang sabi nga nila, ang isda ay nahuhuli sa kanyang sariling bunganga. Sa kanyang interview with Pinky Web, inamin ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste na binenta na niya o nag-divest na siya ng kanyang ownership sa Solar para sa Bayan Inc. na may hawak ng congressional franchise. Same company na naunang binanggit ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla na nag-change ng ownership without congressional consent or approval.
No.
So you divested?
Yes.
Pero tila biglang natigilan si Crying Leandro sa kanyang sagot at may pahabol pa. Hindi na raw operational ang SPBC kaya wala na raw congressional franchise na matatawag pa. Pwede ba yon?
And I would add also that the company, I think, was also publicly already reported to no longer be operational. So there's actually no franchise, if I'm not mistaken, that really would have any effect on anyone at this point.